Hi, I'm Rosa. I'm making dinner tonight and you're coming with me. I am going to do a leftover makeover, sort of. We had taco meat and tacos a few nights ago and I made my husband some soft tacos with just potato and poblano peppers. And I had bought several poblano peppers at a little market and I had them left over. So today I put them over the flame on the gas stove. I put them in a bag to sweat off the skins, and this is what I'm doing. I've taken the seeds out and the veins. I've cut them up and now I'm going to fill them with potato and season them and then put toothpicks in them and put them in the oven and see how that comes out, because that sounded very tasty to me. I still have all the fixings for ground beef tacos and salsa and chips, and we'll still have that, but I'm giving this a whirl. I'm filling them with potatoes, sprinkling salt and pepper on them and sticking a toothpick in to hold them, almost like its own little taco. I'm hoping these are good. I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for a little bit and see what happens. The tacos are ready to go in the oven, and so are the poblano peppers with mashed potatoes. If anybody wants more cheese, more ground beef, more potatoes, it's all here. We're also going to try this creamy jalapeno sauce that I picked up. I have green onions and I have salsa. I just need to get the tortilla chips out. My husband is working on something in the garage, so he won't be in for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven for my son and I and leave these for him when he comes in. And there's our dinner. Looks good. I'll let you know how it is. My husband's plate. And I didn't let you know how that dinner was. It was delicious, so really good. The poblano peppers, you kind of have to eat them with a fork and a knife. It didn't quite hold up to like a taco that you could hold, but they were so really tasty. It is something we'll definitely try again. We liked them. My husband liked it. My son and I liked them. They were a hit. So both nights that we did a take on those poblano peppers was delicious. Thanks for joining me and watching. I hope you consider hitting the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.